What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Q, baby Q. This is now back with another video. And today, I'm going to be installing a wig. Y'all gonna watch me install a wig. So, yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to this video. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm sitting on my mirror. I'm finna put some tea tree oil on my scalp so when I put on my wig, my hair won't be itching. And also, I'm doing this without a bowl cap because I simply just didn't have any more. And I'm also only using Got2b glue spray. So yeah, this is gonna be a challenging wig install. Okay, so right now I'm putting edge control on my edges, and then I'm going to spray it down with Got2b glue spray so you know my edges won't come out. And then I'm going to let it dry for a minute, and then we're going to start to install the wig. Right here, I'm putting on another layer of Got2b glue. And then I'm gonna let this layer dry. Then I'm gonna put on another layer. Then I'm gonna let that layer dry. And then I'm gonna put on another layer. Then I'm gonna apply my wig on top. Okay, y'all, so this wig, I made this wig myself. If you're interested, follow my hair page, thehairstylist.Kira. But yeah, right now I'm applying it, and then I'm going to fix it up and make it look good on me. Okay, y'all, so I'm tying the hair up, and I'm gonna let it sit for like a cool 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished results. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. The concealer is a little light, but I had to use my mom's concealer because I couldn't find mine. But this is what it looks like. At least the lace melt. It's just the concealer. Everything else is done. It's the concealer. But yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You can't subscribe, add me on Instagram, you can't add me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, Q Smart Pretty. If you can't add me on Snapchat, add me on TikTok,